You're AIing wrong. Most people think AI is a shortcut to effortless content creation. But here's the truth. If you use the same prompts, if you do the exact same thing as everybody else, then you're gonna get the exact same answer. And people think that they can just have AI do all the work and then they just can add their little zest in at the end. But if everybody does that, then nobody's going to be that unique anyway, because everyone's going to be saying fundamentally the same thing. Honestly, it reminds me of that movie Hitch, where he is teaching that guy how to get the first kiss, and he's basically saying like, first, like, you go 90 and then they come 10. And the whole scene is a huge joke because he goes the whole 100 and, laughing, it's a funny example of this. But that scene reminds me of how everybody is using AI. I mean, everyone's just thinking, here, AI will do all the heavy lifting and I'll just sprinkle my little touch on the finished product. But that's not the best way to leverage AI. Now, I'm not saying you have to do 90% of the work, but say you flipped it on its head where you actually did the 10% of the hard work up front, and then AI contributed the 90% to get you over that finish line. Simply from this little mindset shift, you're able to create unique content just purely based on the fact that you're coming from a more authentic starting point. Think of AI more as your assistant and not your replacement. I know that's not what the news says. However, if that was true, then AI would be completely infallible and we wouldn't have to do anything. So here are 3 tips to get better results from the AI you're using in whatever capacity you use it in for your content. 1, use a more authentic starting point. The more authentic you start, the better your results will be. This entire script was made with AI. However, it was based on my concept of using the movie Hitch to outline this point. So it ends up being a truly unique piece of content built from the ease of AI. 2, it gives you a unique edge. Like I said, this is a completely AI written script, but that was shaped and authentically formulated from the idea that I brought to the AI and not one that AI gave to me. 3, it's naturally going to create a better end result. Even if AI helps you script and write out exactly what you're going to say, no matter what, that authentic touch from the beginning is going to align with your brand and your values all the way through. And it's ultimately going to perform better because people want humans, they don't want robots. So next time you use AI, think about how you can come from a more authentic place so that AI could do all of the heavy lifting. However, it's going to come from such a unique starting point that it would never turn out the same way as anybody else's. And this is where the true AI magic happens. Happy AIing!
Oh my God, what a brilliant idea!
Tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.